Join us for our meditation on Thursday evening. This is how we magnetize the new Earth frequency to us. It's very simple and straightforward. Just tune in at 6:50 p.m. UK or your equivalent time to join us for 10 minutes of preamble, followed by our guided meditation, which has 5 minutes guidance to get us all aligned, followed by the opportunity to take your own path into heart-based love, joy, gratitude, peace, and compassion. And in so doing, we feed the quantum field with our high frequency energy. And don't forget that with group consciousness, such as this will be, the energy of the people taking part, well, that energy is squared. Once Pam's initiative has 90,560 people supporting it around the globe, that is the value of the entire population of the planet once squared. 15 minutes a day to shift the collective consciousness of the planet that creates our reality into something beautiful. If that sounds good to you, please join us.